Good morning for our almusal. We have dim sum ko. We have siomai, siopaw, fried rice, hakao,
bean curd roll.
bean curd roll, adidas, ini,
Crab ball, super sarap.
crab balls, lechon macao, and xiaolongbao.
Sesame balls.
Butsi, Liz. Good morning.
Vietnamese coffee.
Ang Vietnamese coffee, Liz. Almusal. Good morning. Ay, ano ba? Ay, good afternoon na mga kadalive. Sobrang tirik na tirik ang araw yan, oh my God. Super na natulog lang kami at nagpahinga kasi napagod kami kahapon sa ano? Napagod kami kahapon sa Disney. As in. So, ito, good morning. Ay, good afternoon. So, ano? Yan. Seatbelt muna ako. Seatbelt na pangkaligtasan. So, mga kadalive, so today is a chill day for us. Wala naman kaming masyadong eksena or ganap. Kaya na-desisyonan namin na ano, yun, magpa-schedule kay Doc Tyler. But the schedule was done or the appointment was done months before pa kami pumunta dito kasi alam namin na medyo marami nagpapaschedule doon. Tsaka, syempre dahil medyo celebrity doctor, siya yung ito yung itsura niya, ito siya, si Doc. Yan yung itsura ni Doc Tyler. Sikat siya dito sa LA. So, mga naging kliyente niya na sina Francine, sina Jaya, Ay de las Alas, yan. Tsaka, yeah, search nyo lang siya. Tapos, yun, magpapa-chiropractor adjustment kami today. Chiropractic adjustment. So, samahan nyo kami. Sana pwedeng mag-video, pero magpipicture kami mamaya. Okay? Bye-bye! Kadalive, malapit na kami. Medyo kinakabahan ako ng konti kasi baka hindi na ako makalakad o kaya worst, maparalyze a kiss. Pero hindi naman, laban lang. I think I had my chiropractic experience way back 2018 or 2017 sa Pilipinas, dun sa Light Chiropractics MD sa Pampanga. So, we're almost here. Nagpa-park na lang kami ni Nengi.
You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
Kasi may ang appointment namin ay, anong oras na? 2:00. So, anong oras na? So, yan. It's 1:38. So, dyan muna kayo. Baba muna kayo. So, yan naman kadalive. Papunta na kami doon sa office ni clinic ni Doc Tyler. Yan. Mga lola nyo. Pak. Hindi ko alam kung pwede pang mag-video hanggang sa loob, no? Pero try ko kung pwede. Bye-bye. So mga kadalive, nandito na kami kay Doc Tyler. Yeah. Yes, hello mga kadalvis. So, nandito na kami sa clinic ni Doc Tyler. Ayan. Yung appointment namin is 2 p.m. pa. Pero may patient daw siya sa loob. So, antayin lang namin yung turn namin, no? Sana pwedeng mag-video mamaya, no? Para at least pakita nyo siya. Ito yung clinic niya. Ayan, ni Doc Tyler. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga certificates niya. Ayan. May mga snacks. Oh, 1 million subscribers. Lim. This is ano. Ito yung ano niya. Yan. So, it looks like all sorts of patients and you'll feel really relaxed. So, kinakabahan ako. Actually, I suffer a lot from sciatic nerve impingement way back then. But then again, in the Philippines, I have this one therapist. Her name is Tita Hilda. She's the one doing all the
dry needling?
yeah, no, just therapy.
Okay.
And then she was able to make me feel better. But then again, before we leave the Philippines, I'm suffering from a pain here. After going up here, straight up to the shoulder.
Oh,
it's kind of like a straight pain like that, and it's like a sharp pain.
Yeah, there's
Same
usually
what I feel here.
there's usually a spot up in here, especially when there's any sciatic stuff going on.
Yeah. But I do move. Yeah, that one. It's
Yeah,
kind of
so
like
it's
a
all
little
the way
deep.
in.
That bothers me a lot.
Does it ever hurt when you cough or sneeze?
No.
Okay. So I'm gonna start up here. You guys like Louis Vuitton?
Not a fan, huh?
I'm glad my fiance isn't a fan.
Oh yeah. Well, for me, my goal is only to have like 1 or 2, but it's not my, to collect them all. At least I can say I have 1.
Nice. My mom likes Louis Vuitton. It's always the moms, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so first off, you're gonna lay on your back. Okay.
Right side.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So I gotta work on this really quick. It's probably gonna be tender in there. So I work on sciatica every day, just so you know.
Oh yeah. Well, my sister, when she has her, I don't know if that's a nerve injury pain for her, she can't even walk.
Yeah, sometimes it gets bad.
Have you had like a client bigger than my sister?
All the time.
Oh, so my sister is still like petite.
The biggest was 6 foot, 670 pounds.
Gosh. Well,
I thought he was gonna break my table. He thought he was too, but he didn't. He was fine. But yeah, you're not even close. And because of my aggressive style, it invites a lot of the bigger clients to come in.
you already have a lot of subscribers.
Yeah, I do.
I saw that.
And here. And little stretch. So what do you do?
I'm a dentist back home.
Oh, okay, nice.
Thank you.
Do you know Mika? The dancing dentist?
No.
In the Philippines? She has like the green hair. But she's a dentist over there, but she like dances too. I don't know, she's like on TikTok. I treated her a couple times, she's cool.
How do you feel?
Tuck down for me. I'm gonna pick you up, don't help me at all, okay? Okay, come on. Uh-oh, it's gone. Good. One more. Oh yeah.
For sure, she will come back here very often.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, I'm getting in your glute. Doesn't usually feel the best, but it's for science. So was Disneyland packed? Was Disneyland very busy?
Oh, yesterday? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
We're going on the 25th.
So
So
I hope there's not a lot of crowd.
it probably will be. Yeah, I've never gone on Christmas before. But my fiance really wants to see the snow and all that.
Is there?
Yeah, don't they have it? The snow falling down? No?
No. Oh, because we only situated in the park itself. We haven't visited the adventure one. Which Disneyland is it? Here, right?
Yeah. Oh, maybe there is no snow.
No, I didn't see it.
Huh, I thought there was. Well, she'll see the lights.
Yeah. Tsaka yung parade, right?
Huh?
Parade is good.
Oh, the parade, yeah.
Yeah. At night.
Oh, at night, okay. Yeah, we're probably gonna go at like 4.
Or, yeah, that's a good time.
Yeah, right there.
Sunda ko yan.
Spots in here. I just need to figure out which ones. Okay, so if it feels good, I'm gonna pull it. If it doesn't feel good, we're not gonna do it. But this will help open up your spine, okay? Put your head up. And pull your hair through. Good. And head down.
Bibitayin na po siya.
Right there. That's good. Let's go with that. Is that okay on the cheeks? Okay, let me know when it starts to feel like a nice stretch. Feels good? That's good. And let me know when you can feel it down to the low back.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Look down. You see your eyes?
Yeah.
That was pretty good. Good.
You like it?
So much better. Good. Yeah, so you have a lot more rotation in your leg. So that muscle that controls that rotation, that's the one that usually messes the sciatic nerve up. So it's free now. So once all this heals, the sciatic should be a lot less, you know. And if it's coming from a disc, which sometimes it is as well, that pull really helps. And the stretching of the table. Yeah, so I treated it like it was everything, because it's hard for me to tell exactly where it's coming from, so I just treat it like it's everything. Yeah. All right, come on.
You are just a dream that haunts me.
Oh, good job.
So for nurses, they sponsor like an immigrant visa.
Oh.
So I came here through an agency that helped me have this EB3 application. So it's kind of like an immigrant status when you get here for nurses.
Well, I feel this. Do you get headaches
Yes.
on this side?
Yeah.
Okay. How often?
Like at least once a week.
That's a lot. What that's a lot.
Like
You know, I did work in Indonesia. So I went over there and I like treated a bunch of people for free and like we filmed it and everything. I got so sick after.
Ayun si Nikki.
From what?
surgery.
Rib?
Yeah.
Chondrotomy.
Like they fractured my ribs on purpose.
What?
It's a long story. I underwent liposuction and like I wanted to have like this hourglass shape.
Oh, you did the Kim K thing?
Not really, not
Isn't it
exactly.
like Kim K?
mask out the pain from the liposuction, so I didn't feel that much. I feel like it's just the same. In from 30 days.
Okay. Nice and loose in the shoulder, okay? I don't care either.
Ow. Ow. Oh wow, I felt it.
So that's here for back swelling.
Is that too sleep? Okay.
Yeah.
Good. And try to let it.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh.
Diyos ko, Mi.
Ang kadali, pedalin niyo ako sa ICU. Charot. Charot lang. Anong tawag dito, Mang Kadalive? Ano, mas powerful dito. Mas powerful si Doc Tyler. As in. Lalo na yung paghila ng ulo. Parang mapuputol yung ulo ko. Pero sobrang relaxing. Actually, before pa ako pumunta dito sa Amerika, may iniinda na akong sakit sa likod. Pag tumalikod ka nga, yung likod ko dito sa right side, itong part na to. Hindi, ito yung spinal cord, yung gitna. Yan dito sa side na to. Masakit siya. Feel ko siya, nagpupunta kami ng China, tapos nung umuwi kami, hanggang sa umuwi kami, masakit na. Tapos, pinatherapy ko rin siya sa Pilipinas, kay Tita Hilda. Shout out Tita Hilda. Kaya lang hindi pa rin siya nawawala. So, pagpunta namin dito, kumbaga, kasi feeling ko bone eme lang naman yun. Pagkatapos, ngayon medyo nawala naman yung sakit ng likod kong. Konti, may na. Alam mo, si Negi, mas marami pa siyang crack sa akin kasi nga yung lifestyle niya very stressful. Kaya sabi ni Doc Tyler, once in a while, magpamasahe ka, hindi puro work and larit. Charot. So, Negi,
Magpapamasahe na rin din naman ako kay Doc Tyler na lang, Day.
so you're gonna fly all the way from Houston to
Why
LA?
not? Of course.
So, sa mga subscribers natin, nagtatanong magkano daw yung appointment kay Doc?
I think it will cost you like around almost $300. May kasama ng happy spine cream.
Ayun, happy.
Ayan.
Kaya lang hindi namin siya pwedeng mauwi sa Pilipinas kasi meron siyang
May CBD. So
What
I don't
CBD?
think it's cannabis.
cannabis please, and it's not illegal sa atin. So, ayan, uwi muna kami, sunduin namin yung mga tabachoy kasi pupunta kami doon sa Violet Crumble na gusto nila, tsaka In-N-Out. Yun lang yung atake namin kasi tomorrow pupunta kami ng Universal. Okay, mga kadalive? Bye-bye, see you later! So, hello mga kadalive. Pagkatapos namin nagpa-schedule, diba? Mga nakapambahay lang sila lahat. Hindi sila takot sa lamig. Hello ba? Nakapambahay lang tayo, no ba? Saan tayo punta ba? Ba, where are we going? Ayun ang mga kapitbahay namin, no? Kasi din yung mga Christmas, nila, decorations. Kami? Papunta pala kami ng mga kadalive. In-N-Out. Of course, our American trip wouldn't be complete if hindi kami pupunta sa In-N-Out. And then after namin pupunta ng In-N-Out, tapos pupunta kami ng Violet Crumble. Kasi yun ang cravings ng mga tabakchoy. For today's video.
O, Jillian, nagdala kayong phone nyo kanya. Dala itang phone ko.
Ging, yung phone ko, be.
Wala mo yung cellphone na ano.
Wait lang. Diyan muna kayo. Drive muna kami.
Iwan ko na. Ikaw, ate.
Eh, lamig ng weather. Ayun, Ging. Ging, yeah. Bidi. Ang dami ng mga nasa drive-thru. Ang daming tao.
Ano na ba kayo ating mako?
Ayun yung menu nila, oh. Ang kadalve. Ingye.
Kaya ka ba?
Wow. Itang, yung yung... Ano ba yun? Yung tatlo. Sa labas na lang siguro kami kakain, mga kadalve, kasi ang daming tao. Bo, come on! Let's go out. Let's go, Ging. Open the door. Nag-order lang sila. Alita ka siya, Ken. We're gonna eat outside na lang. Tsaka maganda rin naman dito outside eh. Dito na lang here. Yan o. In-N-Out. So, mo-order lang ng food si Negi and si Lois. BD, dito ka. Ito na po, BD. BD. Wiging.
Gabala mo.
Si na mother tsaka si ate, dun sila sa kabila. Kasi hindi kami lahat kasya dito eh. So mga kadalive, isipin mo nasa labas ako ngayon ng ng store, as in hindi ako pinapawis. Oo, mas okay pa nga dito. Ayun na sila, nakuha na silang drinks. Ito akin na patingin ng baso, pakita ko lang. Kasi the last time na nagganito, walang sound eh. So ito, pipili ka sa loob kung anong gusto mo na drinks. Kasi it's unlimited naman. It's refillable, BD. Antayin lang namin yung order na. Tapos magbumukbang ang mga tabacho. Yes, Fresh! Mga kadalive, kausap ko nga pala si Fresh. Ayun si Fresh. Yes, Fresh! Fresh lang kaulas-ulas, my God. So mga kadalive, ito yung order namin. Fries na may mga eme. So syempre mga burger. This is the regular fries, Gab. Super dry. Tapos syempre yung aking milkshake.
Pisco?
Yun. Tinatanong kasi ni Kuya kung pwede kong puno sa kabila. Kaya lang sabi namin may nakalagay na PWD. Ito.
Bite mo na yung burger.
Ito siya. So, tinatanong daw kung what's that? Kuya, no? BD, what can you say about the burger? Si Ami. Masarap naman. Ayun si Masha, si Maggie, si Ann, si Ate Ilik, at saka si Ambo dun sila. Bo, Ate Ilik, say hi! Makain na rin sila. So dyan muna kayo, kakain muna kami. So mga kadalive, tapos na kaming kumain dito sa In-N-Out. Tapos magwo-walk kami papunta dun sa Ay, ano daw?
Magka-car na lang daw.
Mag-car na lang daw. Saan tayo punta next, Ding?
Crumble cookie.
Ano, Ding?
Crumble cookie.
Crumble cookie yun?
Yes, yung famous sa TikTok ng mga cookie.
Okay, let's go. Ano daw meron daw dun, Ding?
They change the menu every week. This week, they have no-bake raspberry cheesecake, chocolate cake, tapos ginger snaps, parang gingerbread cookie.
Okay.
Peppermint cupcake na cookie form.
Alam mo lahat na, Ding.
Cinnamon roll cookie form. Peanut butter na cookie na may parang chocolate.
Diba? Alam niya lahat yung mga pagkain.
Madami pa.
O pipili ka lang kung ilan yung bibilin natin. Kasi madami pa tayong food. So, dyan muna kayo, mga kadalive. Magdadrive pa si Neki papunta doon sa, ano pangalan, Ding? Violet Crumble?
Crumble cookie.
Okay, crumble cookie. So mga kadalive, nandito naman kami sa crumble cookies. Napapanood daw ito ng mga tabatchoy sa TikTok. Yan. Mga ano nila, menu.
Like it's better. We don't have right now.
Mga kadalive, ito yung mga cookies. Yan. Hindi ko alam ano mga flavor itong mga to. Order lang ng order.
This is salted caramel.
Okay, this one.
Yes.
This
is
one.
peanut butter.
And then,
Chocolate cake.
okay.
Ginger snaps. Peppermint cupcake.
This one.
Yes.
Oh.
Raspberry cheesecake.
This one.
Ito raspberry cheesecake din pero no bake.
Mm-hmm.
Cinnamon.
Lemon square?
Cinnamon square. Chocolate chip.
This one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Both. Cinnamon roll.
Ito.
Tapos
this one.
Same.
Balo na lang na ding niya. Basta lang.
For the matako, yun.
Kaya gumaga. Balo doon. Ano ding? Ano yun ding?
This is the peppermint.
Okay.
It has white chocolate.
Okay, you try. Narap ba? Bili!
Matik mo mo. Bigyan na nila. Sarap.
Sarap din.
It's good po.
Bakit hindi ba
Ay, ayun ka, oh.
sa Pilipinas?
Mas masarap ka rin. Bo, what's that? Masarap, Bo?
Ako ito.
Bili?
Ayan, sarap din ito. Matik mo mo.
Ano sa'yo, Bili?
Salted caramel.
Bili.
Masarap siya pag may peppermint.
Brit ng mini-bet, takmang kilo salted caramel fruits.
Sarap.
This is ginger snap.
Uy, pagkatapos magkain na, mag-brush. Dahil tomorrow ay mag-ano tayo. Saan tayo punta po tomorrow?
Nang oras lang kasi makubukas 8.